I said, you're wearing these kids out. By age 7, 8, 9, 10, they're having 100 collisions a week minimum that they're having. Think about the impact of 100 collisions a week, maybe 1,000 collisions a season. And by the time they get to be 12, 13, 14 years old, you're taking these great young athletes, and so many of them, you've worn them out by the time they get to high school, which is what you're grooming them for. They've been injured, they've been harmed, they haven't been taken care of properly, and now they can't compete on a high school level. And some of your best athletes, they were great at 7, gone by 10, great at 10, gone by 12. Great at 12, gone by 15, great at 15, gone by 17 because of injuries that could have been prevented. That little segment that I just said is such a valuable conversation for coaches and parents when you're having this conversation about the benefits of chiropractic care. Super duper important. So this rapid recovery, really, really important. Injury prevention, really important. And then peak performance, having people, these kids perform at their highest level and getting off the roller coaster ride.